Oh, bloody hell. Oof. You see that Ford Focus coming flying through there? Okay, good morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's an early morning, just creeping into the afternoon, just 11:15. Stuck behind a very slow moving Fiesta, but it is the daytime. So I'm going to go out and do a quick one in the R, the Golf R. We're in the Golf R, so I've got the camera over there, as you can see, because I think that worked quite well with the air intake, but I just have to get the window down a little bit, get us into sport. Okay. So I think that camera worked quite well over there with the noise. I'll see how it turns out with the R. You do get a slightly different noise with the intake with the R. It's a bit flatter, that intake. It's the racing line one I've got on here, pipe across on the GTI. Hopefully we'll get a bit of noise from that. And I've got the camera on my head. I wasn't sure about the one on the wheel, everyone. So we just went without the one on the wheel. It's hard to keep the wind noise from the ones when they're outside. See anything there. I'd love to tell you the name of this road, but I can't remember it. Into a 20. Now this road is a national speed limit road, right, but once you've had a look at it, it's not a fast driving road. It is so uneven. I mean, to the point where you literally have to drive slow over it. Person on bike, all over the bumps. So I can't go fast down this road, everyone. Look at it, look at this. Oh. I think I'm doing about 20. So pretty much the Golf R's home. And then we're round. Careful, because I can't really see what's coming. Yep. Brakes. We're going round to the right, and then round to the left. Oh, right, I mean. I'm getting my right to my left wrong. Oh, slow. This is a little cheeky left here. I'm looking at the sat nav now. explosion. It just explodes out of corners, this car does. I'm not going crazy fast here, everyone. This is too skinny and I can't see enough in front of me. And look how uneven this is. Again, slowing right down here, everyone. Bloody hell. Almost at a standstill there. This is very uneven. The GTI is not coming down this way, I can tell you that. Right at bridge. I actually don't think I've been down here before. That's a jump for sure if you're coming over that too fast. Oh man, these roads are, that's mental. It doesn't even tell you that there. It says there's a road going on down there. I really don't know where I am now. We're getting some nice noises though, that's the main thing of this drive. I'll try and exaggerate it a bit. I have no idea where these roads are going at all. It says straight, but I'm not trusting it. I'm going to end up in a river somewhere in a minute. Off-road. This road looks very familiar. I think this is... See, I genuinely don't know where I am, everyone. Until I get it. I think I know where this is, though. I think this... we drove at night. And if it is, then I'm obviously not going to put you through all that again. The giveaway's the 50. Oh, you see that Ford Focus coming flying through there? Oof. You see that Ford Focus coming flying through there? It is. So that was just a quickie, everyone, just to show you that camera angle over there. Hopefully we've got some good air intake noises. Hard S's here. So remember everyone, this car's going to go and get remapped on Friday, everyone. Hopefully everything should be fine with that, and I'll do some drives with it over the coming weeks. But thanks for watching and stay tuned for that.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad